Good day, everyone. Today, we embark on an important journey together, a journey that will shed light on a topic that affects us all. Welcome to this enlightening lecture on global warming and the sustainable solutions we can adopt to tackle this pressing issue. Let's start by understanding what global warming actually means. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average temperature, primarily caused by the buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, leading to a rise in global temperatures. What are the factors contributing to global warming? Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels for energy, deforestation, and industrial processes, release vast amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These emissions, along with methane from agriculture and nitrous oxide from various sources, intensify the greenhouse effect and accelerate global warming. The effects of global warming are far-reaching and impact various aspects of our planet and society. Rising temperatures lead to the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers, causing sea levels to rise. This, in turn, threatens coastal communities, increases the risk of flooding, and displaces vulnerable populations. Extreme weather events become more frequent and intense, endangering lives, homes, and ecosystems. Additionally, global warming disrupts ecosystems, causing species extinction and altering natural habitats. Now, let's explore some effective remedies and solutions to combat global warming. Transitioning to renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Implementing energy-efficient practices in industries and homes is crucial. Promoting sustainable agriculture techniques, such as organic farming and reduced deforestation, can help mitigate carbon emissions. We also need to invest in innovative technologies, such as carbon capture and storage, to remove excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. In conclusion, global warming is an urgent challenge that requires our immediate attention. By understanding its causes and effects, we can work together to implement sustainable solutions. It's not too late to make a positive impact on our planet. Let's embrace renewable energy, practice conservation, support eco-friendly policies, and raise awareness about the importance of combating global warming. Together, we can create a greener and more sustainable future for generations to come. Remember, the power to combat global warming lies within each and every one of us. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey, and let's take action today for a cooler and brighter tomorrow.